Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related fixes, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today we're going to be working on this Alfa Romeo GT. More specifically, we're going to be replacing these cabin filters, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a few easy steps. To do this job properly, you're going to need a spinner from your socket set. You're gonna need a 5.5mm socket, and you're gonna need a 10mm socket, and that's pretty much it. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this protective carpet right here. It's held in place by these three 10mm nuts. And by this plastic screw right here, which you can just pull off or gently unscrew. Alright, now I'm gonna undo these three screws. Now you can take the carpet off and put it to the side. If you take a look underneath, if you see this plastic cover right here, it's this piece right here. It is held in by three 5.5mm screws. Here's one right here, and there are two more right here. I don't know how well can you see it. Now that I got all of these screws out, all you have to do is grab it and pull this cover downward. There are our filters. Now we're gonna pull them out and see how they look like. Alright, this front side looks clean, but it's the back side that gets dirty. Alright, we got one more. Now we're gonna compare old and the new filters. This old one is full of debris, leaves, feathers and things like that. If we compare it to the new one, you can see that there is a huge difference. The one main thing you have to pay attention to are these airflow arrows. The airflow arrows have to point toward the back of the car, so the filter essentially have to be positioned in this way. Alright, now we're gonna place the new filters inside. Make sure that you don't force them in, you don't want to damage them. Also pay attention to these side flaps. You want to collapse them so the filters can fit in properly. Alright, we got one filter in. Here goes the second one. Before you put the cover back on, pay attention to this hook right here. It's the it has to go in first before you can install the screws back on. Alright, I got the hook into place and I'm gonna push the whole thing up. Since it has a seal, it's gonna stay up. Now I'm gonna install these 3 screws. Only thing I got left is this protective carpet. I'm gonna position the back hole first, and I'm gonna follow up with the 3 front openings, which are held in by the 3 10mm screws. I'm gonna get these 3 10mm nuts on, and we're gonna install the plastic screw as well. I'm gonna tighten everything and the job is basically done. It's not the hard one to do, but it does require some patience. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with other car enthusiasts.